Okay, so what I'm doing tonight, well actually this morning it's 5 to 3 in the morning. I'll try and find out what's inside this EE Smart Hub underneath the heatsink, which we saw. You saw the heatsink in the last video, or videos. Excuse the camera if it's a bit fuzzy. That's right, I have to unscrew it, I forgot that. So, 1, 2. I've already got 10 minutes to do this, so I'm going to be quick and cut the waffle. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Nearly forgot to take those out. I wonder why the board was stiff, it won't come out. So, here's a heatsink with its 8 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, I'm going to remove those. One by one. Completely avoided any sort of warranty, I'm sure, but who cares? It's a free router, isn't it? Don't cost a bean, do they? Unless they think you're stupid enough to buy one from EE. And if you're stupid enough to buy a router from EE, I mean, why would you? Why wouldn't you just go and buy an unlocked Asus or DDWRT compatible router from somewhere else, like Amazon or somewhere? Anyway, so that's those screws out. Let's give the heatsink a bit of a pry. Yeah, that wasn't hard. It's just 2 bits of heatsink paste. You see one there? There's a blue area here. This blue paste, which is for the CPU. And another area of a heatsink paste pad here, a grey one, which is for this, whatever this is, this can here. Not sure what's in that can. I don't feel like opening it up either, particularly. I'm mainly here looking for UART pads. Now, a UART is a universal asynchronous receiver transmitter. Basically, it's a serial port, 3.3 volt serial port. So I'm looking for that. Looking for any pads that relate to that. I had originally thought that this pad here, this header here. Can you see that? J10, just here. I think it's J10. Yeah, J10. Come on, camera. Is it camera or is it me? Yeah, I had originally thought that was a serial port. It may still be, but I couldn't get any joy out of it. Anyway, so as you see, these yellow posts here are metal standoff posts. They're what holds the heatsink onto the. Oops, where are we? They're what holds the heatsink onto the board. Yeah, the camera's not too keen about focusing. Let's try and do it manually, shall we? Come on, wake up. Yeah, they're what hold the mount, what secure the heatsink plate to the chassis. Now, so we'll try and find out in the last 5 minutes 45 seconds what we have here chip wise. But I don't want to move the remaining blue heatsink paste that's on the CPU off the CPU, otherwise it's going to cause a problem when I put the heatsink back on again. Can't see much in there. I'll take some photos of this and put them on Flickr so you can see them. You've got some plastic. Let me get the camera off the stand so you can see this better. Alright. You've got some plastic standoffs here, which are basically cable clips. So these things here, they're holding one of the antenna cables in place. This grey antenna cable which runs along the board. There's a black one as well. Just thought I'd mention that. Yeah, actually caters for both of them. So this chip here, I think, is Infineon. What is that? Chip. Got 4 minutes 31 seconds left. So I better get this done quick. There could always be a part 2, I suppose. What chip is this here? Camera doesn't want to focus. No, I'm not going to focus, it says. Okay. Maybe I'll focus manually then. No, does it work, does it? Yes, manual focus is working. No, it's not. Oh, anyway. That's some sort of... probably a RAM chip, I suppose, or it could be a flash... no, it's not a flash chip, I don't think. Not that close to the CPU. I think the flash is on the other side. Yeah, I think that's the NAND there. Yeah, Toshiba NAND. I'm pretty sure that's the NAND. Anyway. I could... ugh, there's some grease on there. Some sort of grease on that can there. Heatsink grease. Thermal transfer grease. Yeah, of course it's the other side of this pad, isn't it? Off the heatsink. Anyway, I'll try and do some more investigations and see what these parts are under these cans. I'll try and get these cans off if I can. Pardon the pun. 3 minutes left. Let's have another look around. Can't see much here without the light. Yeah, no immediate COM port, UART port pads, but then I'm making this a quick video because I'm trying to keep within the time frame of the camera, so I'm pretty sure there's a Broadcom chip under there. So I don't particularly want to take the paste off because that matches the gap in the paste on the heatsink. So basically that's a sheet of big honking great sheet of aluminium. It's a nice heatsink actually, it's very well made. And as you saw in the last series of videos, there's a concave side where it's been depressed by a press of the factory, and a convex side where it's sticking out here, and that obviously mates onto the CPU. Oh, there's another pad there. I missed that first time. So basically this goes back in, oops, excuse me, this way round. You see, there's the CPU there. That goes that way round, and that pad mates with that can there, and that pad mates with that can there. Anyway, that's what's under there. So far as I can see, that this can here, there's a get the zoom in, shall we? If you look at the board, it says frame 1. It's upside down. Underneath that metal can, it says frame 1. What does this one here say? Ah, it says frame 2. Can you see that? Just at the top, it's like a mountain shape, the can, like the shape of a mountain peak, and on the left hand slope it says frame 2. Anyway, I've got 1 minute left, so I'm going to end this video here, do some more investigating, and I'll be back in touch with you soon. Cheerio!